Wow, I've seen many performances of yours, many. And every time I have thought to myself, it couldn't be better. Like, it's just perfect. And every time you prove me wrong, because every next speech of yours was better than before. And if I were to write a newspaper headline to describe your speech tonight, it would be something along the lines of energetic, a blast, a burst of emotions. You started off with this well-renowned poem, and then you drew a parallel from that to something that we could have all relate to an inner conversation that is going on in our heads. You grabbed our attention and you kept it throughout. You used your body language effectively, as you were describing the pond, as you were showing how somebody was taking off the ground. Your vocal variety was second to none, seriously. Even the perfect tone and volume and pace aside, you employed a very important element of the vocal variety, which was the rhetorical devices. I don't remember all of them, but I could spot at least one, the repetition. As you were saying, self-destructing, self-deprecating, and I'm sure there were many others in your speech. You used the stage effectively. As you were moving from one idea to another, you were moving along the stage, retaining the audience attention. That was superb. However, as we all know, the sky is the limit in the Toastmasters, and even the best of the best speakers in our community still deserve to have some constructive feedback on some areas for improvement. And I hope you're not going to be giving me some of those black looks that you mentioned in your speech, as I may provide you a couple areas for improvement. First and foremost, Tanya, no matter what you do, no matter what kind of speech you deliver, whether it is a speech to inform or a persuasive speech or some technical briefing, maintain eye contact with the audience. It is critical. Even though you might have grabbed the attention of the audience at the beginning and you employed all of those tools, you still need to connect with the audience visually. And the reason why you might have missed on that, I think, leads us to the second area of improvement. As we all know, the best is the enemy of the good. And I think that your speech was so good, it was so rich, it was so full of all of these great impressions that you personally were struggling to keep up with the flow of your speech. Instead, I would recommend to keep less words, but more examples that we could all relate to. All in all, it was a great speech. I loved how you concluded it by looping back to the poem that you started with. And I hope that you're not taking my feedback too close to your heart, and you're just sitting there thinking to yourself, la, 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 la. Thank you.